I'm Fionnán Sheehan with today's Indo Campaign daily update from the parish pump here in Boherbue in North County Cork. It's the morning after the debate the night before. Sinn Féin is launching its manifesto and Mary Lou McDonald wants a review of RTE's coverage of the conflict in Gaza. Taoiseach Simon Harris attacks the Sinn Féin manifesto, saying there are concerning developments.
Everybody accepts that we live in a very volatile world. The chances of a transatlantic trade shock are rising, and yet Sinn Féin today have decided to really eat in very significantly to those resources that may well be needed in the time ahead.
The Labour Party leader Ivana Bacik is targeting seat gains in the election.
I'm going to be fighting hard for each of our 32 candidates across the country. We clearly want to see an increased number of Labour TDs in the next Dáil because we believe that we need to have as many TDs as possible to deliver the change that our communities need.
The Social Democrats are saying it's not possible to have both tax cuts and improved investment in services. And whether it's parish pump politics or national policy debate that you're after, you can follow all the coverage of election 2024 in the Irish Independent.